Today, I'll show you a much faster and stress-free way to apply for a Turkish eVisa. The visa for Turkey is an electronic travel authorization that grants entry to citizens from over 100 nationalities. It's also known as the Turkey eVisa, electronic visa, or Turkish eVisa, because it is electronically linked to the applicant's passport instead of a physical stamp or sticker. The whole process can be done fully online and in less than 15 minutes without visiting an embassy or visa application center near you. Hi, I'm Dalma, your cool travel expert, and here's how to get a Turkey visa online in 2023. Before we get into the specifics of the Turkish eVisa application process, let's discuss why Turkey is such a popular destination. Turkey is a country that has something for everyone, from the vibrant culture of Istanbul to the ancient ruins of Ephesus, the stunning beaches of Antalya to the otherworldly landscapes of Cappadocia. In addition, Turkey is known for its hospitality and friendly people, making it a welcoming destination for travelers. So, without further ado, let's get started on how to apply for a Turkey eVisa in 2023. Who is eligible for the Turkey visa? If you want to apply for a Turkish visa online, first check if you're eligible with our convenient visa checker tool. Many citizens from other countries are exempt from having to apply for a visa to Turkey, so if you are, we'll tell you. All you need to do is to type in where you're from and where you want to travel to, in this case, Turkey. Then click Get Started. Then you'll see the exact Turkish visa that applies to you. How long is the Turkish visa valid for? The maximum stay on the Turkey tourist visa ranges from 30 days to 90 days in total, depending on your nationality, of course. Always check the exact information with your local embassy or visa application center. The eVisa for Turkey is a single or multiple entry visa, depending on your nationality. What are the requirements and documents needed to apply? The Turkish authorities require the following to apply: copy of your passport with a passport validity of at least 60 days beyond the duration of stay of your visa. It also needs to be in good condition and have 2 blank pages for the entry and exit stamps, a valid email address to send you the confirmation and final travel documents. Now, there are certain nationalities that require supporting documents such as a work visa or a residence permit from the Schengen Zone, US, UK, or Ireland. To see if your nationality is among them, go to our website and use our visa checker tool. You can use this visa for holiday or business purposes only. Be mindful that it's not a work permit, which means that you can attend work-related events and meetings, but you're not allowed to apply for a job in the country with this travel authorization. If you wish to stay in Turkey for a long period of time to work or study, your local embassy or consulate is available to help you process the right residence permit. Here's how to apply for a Turkish eVisa on your own. Go to the official Turkish eVisa website at www.evisa.gov.tr and click on the Apply Now button to start your application. Fill out the online application form with your personal information, passport details, and travel information. Upload a digital copy of your passport's bio page and recent passport size photograph. Pay the application fee using a debit or credit card. Once your application is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email with a reference number. This will enable you to check the status of your recent application on the website. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when applying for a Turkish eVisa. Apply for the visa at least 48 hours before your departure to Turkey. Double check all the information you enter to ensure that it's accurate. Keep a copy of your eVisa confirmation email, as you may need to show it when you arrive in Turkey. Know that the eVisa is only valid for tourism and business purposes. If you plan to work or study in Turkey, you must apply for a different type of visa. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm so busy. Where do I get the time and energy to do all this? Well, you're not alone. iVisa travelers face the same predicaments every day, so they decide to take advantage of the benefits of submitting their Turkey eVisa application with eVisa.com. Our platform is much less complicated than dealing with foreign governments and much faster. Our experts take care of everything, providing an easier and stress-free way to apply for your eVisa. This way, you can focus on what matters: traveling. We've been simplifying travel for over a decade, and our straightforward application process takes less than 5 minutes. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download the eVisa app or go to eVisa.com. Select your nationality and Turkey as your destination. Step 2. Now click on Apply Now. Step 3. Type in your email address. Make sure you write your email address correctly, as this is the address we will use for all communications, including sending you your documentation. Step 4. Now fill out some information such as your birth date and your passport info. Step 5. Select processing time according to your preference. We have 3 options available. If you're doing this with time, you can select the processing standard time, but if you're doing this in a rush, we have the rush and the super rush services. Step 6. Include an additional service if you want to, like eVisa Plus. The eVisa Plus subscription offers unlimited travel documentation and 24/7 prioritized customer support for a whole year. Perfect for frequent travelers. And just like that, all of your worries are now ours. Our well-experienced travel experts at eVisa are more than welcome to process your visa requests and answer any questions you may have along the way. Traveling should be simple, but getting travel documents can feel complicated. At eVisa, we pride ourselves on being the most reliable experts so you can focus on what's important: traveling. We've been doing it for over a decade. That's why over 1 million travelers have chosen us to help them get their travel documents, because we make traveling simple, reliable, and stress-free. Do you have any questions about visiting Turkey or applying for a travel visa? Feel free to write them down in the comment section and we'll get back to you ASAP. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who may find it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more travel-related content, travel hacks, and life-saving travel content like this one. I'm Dalma, your eVisa travel expert, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!